Angle measure, radians and degrees. Pi radians equals 180 degrees. This is the fundamental relationship between radians and degrees. We will use this relationship for all our conversions. It's really important that you just memorize this, that pi radians equals 180 degrees. Example 1. Convert 3 pi over 4 radians to degrees. Okay, we're going to start with our basic relationship again. Pi equals 180 degrees. Now we left off the word radians and we left off degrees because it's pretty well understood what we mean here. So then if you want 3/4 pi, you got to decide what do I have to do to pi to make it 3/4. Well, multiply by 3/4. So if you multiply the left side by 3/4, you should multiply the right side by 3/4. And then you'll get 3 pi over 4 equals 135 degrees. So we did our conversion. Example 2. Convert 40 degrees to radians. Now we're going from degrees to radians. We still write pi equals 180. That's our basic relationship. But now we want to change the 180 into 40 and find out how many radians that's equal to. Well, the easiest way is just divide both sides by 180. That would mean that pi over 180 is equal to 1 degree. Multiply that by 40. So you got to multiply both sides by 40. And you're going to have 40 pi over 180 is equal to 40 degrees. Reducing that down, we get 2 pi over 9 equals 40 degrees.